Mwanchumo rigereria mwaziri monene iga Kenya oyibo igoro tendrete wizara heteneta mangana isko yense Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi nigo hasangire negati ababwatani kurwa serikali ya Japan iga sense ya Kenya hase serikali ya Kenya neria Japan chirengete kubwatira na CHISEKTA AOAO ane mono asobonchiria mwaziri Mudavadi niga atebire serikali ya Kenya kwanza ensio buraiwa muraiwense William Ruto nigere nekerengayo kwenekya echigoting'ia Oboamate erigo konya uchumi echinse chibere kogendra senchirengia.
Excellency Honorable Motegi Toshimitsu, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Japan, guests, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, I welcome you and your delegation to Kenya. I am pleased to note that Kenya and Japan enjoy warm and cordial relations founded on genuine mutual respect and long-standing friendship spanning more than 6 decades. We have maintained regular high-level exchanges on bilateral and multilateral matters of mutual interest. Your official visit to Kenya reaffirms our shared commitment to further strengthening these ties through sustained engagement and cooperation. I also take this opportunity to congratulate Japan on the historic election of the first female Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sanae Takaichi, by an overwhelming parliamentary majority.
This is my 4th visit to Kenya, and each time I visit, I am captivated by its beautiful nature and vibrant urban landscapes. I am aware that on the occasion of TCAD 9 in Yokohama last year, Prime Cabinet Secretary Mudavadi accompanied President Ruto to Japan, and I am delighted that exchanges between Japan and Kenya have been continuing. And I would also like to take this opportunity to express my appreciation for the congratulatory message that you sent us on when the Takaichi administration scored a big victory in the general election.